Hello everyone. Today we're going to look at how we can embed Rubric feature into the Moodle assignments. You can do it both when creating an assignment from scratch, or you can use the existing assignment and add the rubrics. In order to do it, you open the assignment, you turn on the editing mode, and then you need to come to the settings. Once you come to the settings, you need to choose the option that says grade. And from here, we have maximum grade of 100. You choose the grading method and choose rubric. Then you say, okay, let's move it here, save and display. And Moodle will redirect you to the page where you need to fill in the rubric criteria. You choose defining the grading from scratch. And then let's say you give it a name, let's say rubric, you can give the description. And what you do, you add the criteria on the left in the column, and then you add the degrees on the right, the description. For the sake of this example, we're going to use the rubric that I Googled here just to see how it's going to work. So we have two main criteria. The first one is quality of writing. You can add as many as you want. And now let's add the grades, which are gonna look like this. So the student will get 4 points if it meets the criteria described here. We can change the points. Okay, let's increase the points to make it, you can put any number of points. Okay, let's make it 20 here. Then we go with the next level. You copy here. Okay, let's make it 15. You can choose any distribution of rates. It doesn't have to be super consistent. It should mainly follow your syllabus. Then we have criteria number 3. Let's make it 10 points, for example. And the last but not the least comes here. We add another level, and let's make it 5 points. Okay. Then we add another criterion. Let's go with this one. Grammar, usage, and mechanics. Then we choose description. Here, you don't have to follow the same pattern. You can, if you see that this criteria is way more important, you can again assign any criteria you want. Just make sure that the total number of points available for each criteria sums up to the maximum grade that can be assigned so that there are no mistakes. Let's make it at 40. Let's make this one at 30. And then add this one at 5 again. So the maximum points available are now 50, 70. Let's correct it. Let's make this one 50. This 140, again, it's up to your syllabus and your course requirements. For now, we come here, we say save rubric and make it ready. And now when you come to grade the assignment, you click on the grade button here, and what you're gonna see is the rubric itself. Let's assume that the student has submitted some document and you want to grade it now. You can, after you read the whole text, for example, you can expand this option here, or if you can look at it like here, you can just scroll up and down, or you can expand the page. And then instead of putting the point, see the point, you just click on the criteria. For example, quality of writing is at this level, but grammar is at this level. You just click at the right squares. If you want, you can leave any comments here, comment 2, for example, then you click on the save changes. So what it does is that you don't have to type or calculate the grade manually. model itself is going to calculate the grade based on the criteria that you have selected. And you can leave any general feedback here. You can save changes again and then move on to the next student. Okay.